Hey everyone, want to connect Google Analytics to your Wix website? In this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Analytics with Wix step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Google Analytics account. Open the property you want to connect to your Wix website. Next, create a *web data stream* if you haven't already. Once it's ready, copy your *measurement ID from the stream settings. Now sign in to your Wix account and open the website you want to track. Next, go to your website's **settings**, then open the section for *marketing integrations**, analytics**, or tracking tools**, depending on your Wix dashboard version. I mean, Wix includes built-in options for connecting Google Analytics without editing your website's code. Choose *Google Analytics**, then paste your measurement ID into the required field and save your changes. If prompted, publish your Wix website so the new analytics settings become active. Next, return to Google Analytics and open the *real-time** report. Visit your Wix website in a new browser tab and verify that your visit appears in the real-time dashboard. Finally, let Google Analytics collect data over time, then use the reports section to monitor visitors, traffic sources, user engagement, and website performance. And that's how to connect Google Analytics to Wix. Once your site is connected, you'll have powerful insights to help improve your website and make smarter marketing decisions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.